How are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 6, Language and Literature, Chapter number 39, The Wonderful World of Mythology. The Wonderful World of Mythology, what do you know about it? So take this quiz. Question number 1. Who was on a quest to find the Golden Fleece? Jason. Who is gloomy king of the underworld that was so enchanted by Orpheus' music? Hades. Who tamed Pegasus? Bellerophon. In Hindu mythology, who is the god of sky, water and the oceans? Varuna. Which mythical country in South America was believed to be rich in gold? El Dorado. According to Japanese Shinto religion, who is Amaterasu? Amaterasu. Sun goddess. According to Greek myths, who stole fire from the heavens and brought it to earth? Prometheus. A. In the epic Mahabharata, the ornament Kavach and Kundal were given to whom by the sun god Karan? Which god designed the Rama's mighty bow? Vishwakarma. Okay, so the students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. Borrowed words. Complete the following by writing the name of language from which the given words have originated and then the meaning of words. Abundant word. Language कौन सी और उसका meaning क्या है? Language है French और इसका meaning है to give up control. Aigle. French. ये फ्रेंच वर्ड है. Having the ability okay, having the ability to move quickly. To move quickly. 3. Embarrassment. French. The state of discomfort. The state of discomfort. Okay. Next, for lunar. Latin. To the moon. Nocturnal. Nocturnal. 5. Latin. To a creature. Thug. 6. Hindi. Criminal. Bonsai. Number 7. Japanese. A small tree. Dinghy. Sanskrit. A small rowing boat. Wanderlust. 9. German, yearning to travel. Yearning to travel. Gung ho. Chinese. To be overly eager. Mammoth. Russian. Large. Chauffeur. French. Driver. Okay. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 41. Women's writers. Match these women writers with the books they have written by written the correct letter in the boxes. 1. Anita Desai, The Village by the Sea. Option ये है E. The correct letters in the boxes. Okay. E. Anita Nayar, The Puffin Book of Magical Indian Myths. H. Pulse Buck. 3. The Good Art Dragon. Annie Bronte. 4. C. Angus Gray. Jhumpa Lahiri. J. The Namesake. Option is J. Number 6. Kiran Desai. B. Inheritance of Loss. Okay. Jane Austen. Number 7. D. Northanger Abbey. Mahashweta Devi. I. Rudauli. Amrita Pritam. Kagas to कागज थे कैनवास. 9. Option K. Louisa May Alcott, Tin. F. Little Women, Little Men. Agatha Christie. Number 11. L. Death on the Nile. Anna Sewell. Option is G. Black Beauty. Okay. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 42. Books and authors. Choose the correct option. Who wrote the famous book We the People? Nani Palkiwala. Who is the author of the book 1984? Option A, Thomas Hardy. Which is not written by Munshi Premchand? नहीं. Question number 2. Who is the author of the book 1984? George Orwell. Which is not written by Munshi Premchand? Guide. Who is the author of the book Forbidden Verses number 4? Abu Nuwas. Who wrote the line, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever"? Number 5. Option is A, John Keats. 6. Which of the book was written by Graham Greene? The Power and Glory. Sorry. The Power and Glory. The famous book Anand Math was authored by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. Autobiographies. A history of a person's life written or told by that is called the autobiography. Match the following autobiographies with their writers by writing the correct letters in the boxes. The Story of My Life. Helen Keller. C. The Diary of a Young Girl. E. Anne Frank. Reaching for the Moon. Buzz Aldrin. A. Number 4. Moments. Cristiano Ronaldo. My Experiments with Truth. Mahatma Gandhi. B. My Life a Spoken Autobiography. So the answer number 6 is H. Fidel Castro. Sunny Days. Sunil Gavaskar. Mein Kampf 8. I. Adolf Hitler. I. Number 9. My Days. R.K. Narayanan. F. Okay. Now next, number 10. Daughter of the East. Benazir Bhutto. G. Dreams of My Father. It is Al Barack Obama. And the last one, My Autobiography, Charlie Chaplin. K. Option is K. Okay. So the students, the chapter is in here. Now, maybe let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. Nom de plume. A pen name or nom de plume is a pseudonym adopted by author. A pen name may be used to make the author's name more distinctive. Okay, so some writer use a different name to write, so match the pen and name of the writers with their real name. Pen name, real name. Okay, 1. Chanakya. Jawaharlal Nehru. Sui denim. Dark Pilki. Mary West McCourt. Sampoon Singh Kalra. Sorry, E. G. Agatha Christie. Mark Twain. Number 4. F. Samuel Langhorne Clemens. F. Number 5. Saki Hector Hughes Munro. J. Option is J. Hedge. Number 6. H. George Remy. O. Henry. Number 7 is C. William Sidney Porter. Bhanu Singh. 8. I. Rabindranath Tagore. George Eliot. Number 9 is L. Silence Do Good. The Silence Do Good. Number 10. K. Benjamin Franklin. 11. Bose. D. Charles Dickens. And the last one, 12. Gulzar. Sampoon Singh Kalra. E. Okay. So the students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 45. Travelogue. Travelogue is a documentary films, television program or a form of travel documentary that describe travel in general. So if you like to travel and see new places, so you may also enjoy reading travelogues. Name the following with their authors by writing the correct answer with the help of help box. Number 1. A travelogue about the authors, out of the way, destinations to far-flung island in North Korea, Argentina, Cuba, Iceland, Bhutan, Vietnam, Paraguay and Australia. So falling off the map, some lonely places of the world by Pico Iyer. An account of the author's 7-year journey through the Islamic world during the 11th century. Safarnama by Nasir Khusro. Nasir Khusro. A traveling you about the historical capital of India, daily written by the author during his stay in Delhi, in New Delhi, staying in New Delhi. So number 3 is City of Legends by William Dalrymple. City of Legends by William a historical account of the experiences of a European in the empire of the Mongol leader Kublai Khan. So answer number 4 is Il Million by Marco Polo. A humorous account of the author's travels through all corners of Great Britain. Notes from a small island. Travels in the UK by Will Bryson. Okay, so students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. The art of beautiful writing. Take this quiz, answer the following by choosing the correct option. So let me start. What type of paper is easiest to use to practice the spacing between your letters, words and lines? Graph paper. What is the name of the miniature sketch used to work out your design before putting pen to paper? Thumbnail. What pens have separate interchangeable nibs that you need to use with an ink pot? So option is A, dipping pens. What is the layout called that requires equal left and right margins? Option is C, justified. What board is usually slightly broader than the others? Bottom. What script can you not learn to write in calligraphy? Answer number 6 is D, topaz. What type of pen is more suitable to temporary project? Felt tip. What type of ink is more suitable if you are going to paint over the letters? Waterproof ink. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 47. Banking and financial terms. Okay. How well do you know banking and financial terms? Complete this crossword to find out the numbers given alongside each clue below will tell you many letters there are in the words. 29. Okay. 1. A bank account used to pay everyday expenses. 1. Checking. 3. A bank employee teller. 4. Total income before tax is deducted gross. Take money out of the bank. Withdraw. Money that is paid back at regular intervals after it is borrowed monthly. Payment every month. 8. Where is question 9? Okay. Every month, monthly. To put money in the bank, deposit. Money borrowed using a credit card. 11. Cash advance. 14. An interest rate that change with time. Variable. 14. 15. Money that has been borrowed. Loan. A bank's main interest rate. बैंक का जो मेन इंटरेस्ट होता है प्राइम. Not pay a loan. 17. Default. A bank account that is used to save money. Saving account. Savings. (23) Guarantee loan for somebody else. Co-sign. 26. The opposite of lend. Borrow. 28. A monthly fee on borrowed money. Interest. If money is borrowed, it results in this debt. Now down. अभी ये क्रॉस था, अब ऐसे डाउन. The maximum one can borrow on a credit card, it is credit limit. Okay. Now next question. Two. A house loan mortgage. Five. The opposite of save, spend. A cash machine. Number 8. ATM. Visa, MasterCard, etc. are examples of this credit card. 12. This credit card. Yearly. Sorry. Number 12. When one works for oneself and is not employed anywhere, self-employed. 12. Self-employed. Self-employed. 13. Yearly, annual. It is annual. 18. To move money from one bank account to another, transfer. Money that is earned, income. It is income. Money that is withdrawn from an account. Number 21 is debit. It is debit. 22. An interest rate that stays the same always. Number 22. Fixed. 22. Fixed. F-I-X-E-D. 24. What one earns each month at a job salary. 24. The money that one has fund. 'Income remaining after the taxes are paid net. Okay. So the students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well interested this chapter and enjoyed a lot. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.